a little HO fruit juice wagon, smoothies, shakes, and got the guy inside there, he's giving it a shake, and the guy out here, he's just saying, I don't need that much shaking, thank you. So we've got some red lights on the back here, which is 0402 LEDs. 0402 LEDs in the ice cream buckets up there. Of course we've got the headlights working in the inside. So we've got the guy in there giving it a shake. The first is still on the workbench, but it's a bit of fun. You see the guy moving his arm up and down a little bit, just so I can get some subtle movements, but the guy inside they're giving it the shake. So that's something a little bit new. Just running off 12 volt supply, running in there, and get that, and that's just the mechanism. Little tiny motor. Get it all working. There's LED up inside there to illuminate the inside. So we got what, 2 reds at the back, 2 white up on top, 2 at the front, and 1 inside. So there's 7 LEDs in there, and that makes a nice little scene. Just thought I'd share that one with you. That's going to go on a little module I'm making. So it's hard work. So the guys go over and have a drink. I'll turn the lights out. So I've got a little bit more work to do, putting some more lighting in here. And that, but this is what the little module of 6-foot module I've made is looking like. I've got the forklift in there and get him to go. So we're getting some, I'll turn that bell off. But the drink wagon, that's looking pretty good there now. I'll get some more lights happening. The guy's working on the pipes. I've got to put a timer with that to get it to go on and off, but again you can see the guy inside there, he's moving around there, and the guy out the front here, he's just waving his arm. So some more animations added and movements onto the module.